Hi everyone, LorriMarie here, mixed media artist in Vallejo, California. Some of you are familiar with me, some of you are not. We do mixed media projects here. We do altered book projects here. And now for $10 a month, I can tell you exactly what you get. So I made this little cue card for myself and for you so that we could go through the things. Number one, you get a link to a YouTube video, 5 to 8 per month. Now the YouTube videos are available to everyone, but you'll be tapped into them with a link. 2, you get step-by-step instructions. They're written out for everyone. And 3, some exclusive videos for Patreon members only. Ooh. 4, 3 to 4 pages of fun focal points and number 4 and number 2 I send out as PDFs, so you can print them out and have them or save them in your computer. Also, once in a while I throw in a little giveaway, so that's really fun too. So for 10 bucks a month, here is one of the books that we've made together on Patreon, which has been very, very fun. And there's projects around here someplace for the mixed media. So I hope you'll join for a month, and maybe you'll decide to stay for a while. So we certainly have fun. See you on the table.